I've changed. Hey friends, it's Rachel, and today I wanted to kind of go back to my roots here on YouTube. I started this channel with a lot more of a no makeup approach. Very natural, very dewy, very fresh face kind of makeup. And lately I've kind of only been doing either a completely bare face in my day-to-day life or a full beat for like photos and things, and nothing much in between. So I kind of wanted to see how it would feel going back to the really natural makeup style. Let's get started. All right, I've started on a brow because I'm doing an in-depth brow tutorial. It might actually be out by the time you're watching this. So if you want to see how to create this brow out of very little, go watch that video. So I'm going to do a soap brow. Brows done, and now I'm going to do a very sheer base of foundation. This is my Dior Backstage. I always use the same foundation, but today I'm going to use a wet sponge. I'm really spreading that all the way to sheer it out. And I find with a wet sponge, you get more of a dewy look. And because my forehead is quite tan, I'm only going to use the excess that's left on the sponge and just do the center of the forehead. I don't really need much coverage on my forehead anyway, so it's really just to create a bit of an even canvas look. Okay, concealer time, and I'm just going to concentrate on correcting the darkness as opposed to really brightening up the face or really doing anything full coverage. So I'm opting for my Bobbi brown in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm literally gonna look down and just place it over that darkness. Now this is quite a thick, almost balmy consistency, so I'm just gonna let that dry almost all the way down. While I bronze, this is the Cheeks Out Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer. I'm in the shade Teddy. I think I'll use my Real Techniques brush, warming up the perimeters of the face. And I'm going to opt for all creamy kind of products today. No powders, and remember when I used to never set my face? I'm gonna try that again today. So all creamy, balmy products to create a super dewy look. We'll see how I like it. Also taking that to the bridge of the nose where you naturally tan where the sun hits. All right, let's blend out this concealer. It's still quite wet, but that's okay. Okay, perfect. I like that coverage. You can still see a little bit of darkness, which I actually think is really pretty. And I'm not doing like a bright center of the face because that looks super fake in my opinion. So if we're going for a natural look, opt for something that's a similar skin tone to you, maybe a bit peachier if you want to correct your dark circles. So let's move on to some highlight. This is the Mecca Cosmetica, I don't know what it's called, it's all scratched out, but I will leave the name below. It is both a blush and a highlight, which I'm going to use both of them. I'm just going to use a finger for this. I actually have not highlighted my cheekbones in such a long time. I've been doing a super matte face, so I was really excited to do this video actually, to see how I feel about a very bright, juicy look. I'm taking it up to the brow bone, so just concentrating in the C where your skin catches light. And then just with the excess that I have left on my finger, I'm running that across the lids. Then just a little bit more to the tip of the nose and the nose bridge. Now to the blush side. Again, just using a finger. Oh my god, this look is so fresh and pretty. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm going to add some across the nose bridge, just here. Using my brow pen. If you guys are OGs, you know exactly what I'm about to do. Go over all my little beauty spots and all my sunspots, which you can see so much better with a sheer makeup look. I'm going to give my lashes a quick curl so that they're nice and perky. And then I think that actually looks the most natural when you don't have mascara. I haven't really been a big lash and mascara fan ever. Sometimes I actually prefer how my makeup looks look without anything on the lashes. But for the sake of the video, to give you guys an option, I'm going to use Lash Paradise. And because I've curled my lashes already, I'm just going to do a very light coat just to kind of define them a little bit. And then to finish on the lips, I'm going to use, this is what I'm actually wearing already, the Too Faced Lip Injection in Extreme. This one's in Tangerine Dream. Actually, no, I'm gonna use this one, Strawberry Kiss. It's just kind of a Your Lips but better, bit of a glossy tint. Okay, what do we think? What is the verdict? Not gonna lie, I'm kind of dying that I've been doing such a full beat, full glam, like a habit of just going full beat, because I'm like, oh, well, I'm already here. I might as well fully conceal, fully brighten, fully contour. And you really don't need that much makeup. So I'm glad I did this. I actually am really pleasantly surprised. I think this really, really suits me, and I love how glowy and skin-like everything looks. Maybe you guys disagree. Maybe you like my full beat better with the lashes and everything. Let me know below. And if you want to hang out every day, I do post on Instagram every single day. And if not, I will see you guys on my next video. Might laminate these brows next. I don't know yet. We'll see. I'll see you guys then. Mwah. Bye.